Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for checking out this video. English teachers don't just want students to use correct grammar. We also want you to write interesting sentences. This video will teach you a skill to make your writing more interesting. It's called personification. Personification. You can see it has the word person right in the front there. Personification is giving human qualities to non-human things. So here's my human, giving qualities of the human to things like animals, the weather, or objects. Some verbs, adjectives, or adverbs are usually only used for humans. If you use those words for non-human things, it can make your writing less boring to read. That is personification, using those special words for non-humans. So we got a lot of examples for you today. Let's start with verbs. These verbs are usually only used for humans. Wonder, decide, wait, dance, pretend, worry, play, paint, relax, call, read, or whisper. Of course, there are many more than on this list. These are just some examples I gave you. Let's check them out. The tree began to worry about the lack of rain. Of course, trees don't worry about anything. People worry. Each wave played with the beach sand. Sparks danced off the edge of the axe. That French toast is calling my name. Dance, worry, play, call. Only humans usually do these things. Let's take a look at some other kinds of words. How about adjectives? These are describing words. Grateful, shy, hardworking, careful, evil, hopeful, logical, generous, polite, old-fashioned, musical, or creative. These are mostly human adjectives. It's kind of strange to see them with other things, but that's why it's interesting. The generous sun delighted the tree's leaves. We have generous here, but we also use delighted, which tree leaves cannot be delighted. The sun is generous. Lights shining all night seem hardworking. Lights don't do work. A hopeful bee searches the last flower for nectar. And the stone was laid in many logical layers. I don't think they had a plan for that one. The stone just happened to be. Also adverbs. Many adjectives can be turned into adverbs, and vice versa. A lot of these words could be transferred back to adjectives. Carefully, logically, patiently, recklessly, wisely, honestly, sneakily, innocently, hopefully, kindly, justly, and thoughtfully. We can use these words to describe the verbs in the sentences. The books waited patiently for readers. The snow fell innocently over the silent town. Squirrels wisely save food for the winter. The hurricane recklessly tossed the helpless boat. All of these examples today were giving human qualities to these non-human things. So now it is your turn. Look at these photos. You're going to write sentences that include personification, and please leave them below in the comments so I can check out your sentences. I'll give you 3 photos to choose from. You could do 1 or 2 or all 3. And now if you'd like, you could pause this video to write your sentences. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos here.